Okay, so we are going to show you how to empty the blank tank on Cliff. So first you are going to go ahead and take off the valve cover. Make sure the valve is shut first, which is that right there. Okay, now you take off the valve cover, and then you are going to go ahead and grab your hose. And twist it on just like that. Then you will go ahead and open your valve just like that. And then once everything is drained and you see over here that it is running clear through this elbow, then you will go ahead and shut the valve. Okay, and then you will go ahead and remove the tube. And then when you are done dumping, you just put that valve cover back on after you've removed the sewer hose. Put the sewer hose back in the bag.